Okay, dear students, now we will learn something about the forest of Chhattisgarh. Of course, no, it's our state, and therefore we should be aware of how much of land is covered by forest. Okay, now first we will begin from our country. There are 23 percentage of India's land mass is covered with the forest. Now it is less optimum means so much of forest have already been destroyed for various reasons, the reasons of agriculture, and the reasons of factories, and the extending of cities, towns, and so on. Okay, right, coming to our state, Chhattisgarh has 44 percentage forest cover. Of 100 percentage, almost uh, one third of our state is covered by forest. Okay, so 44 percentage. The rest 56 percentage we have the terrain. Okay, the normal place. Right, now of this 44 percentage, government considers 43 percentage as reserved forest. Okay, so 43 percentage are reserved forest and 40 percentage are protected forest. So we all will come under, let us say, 40 percentage. Okay, this 43 percentage no one can take control of the forest, only the government can control the forest. Right, now the rest 17 percentage are unclassed forest. So unclassed forest means we have got every right to go and do whatever we want. We can cut down the trees, or we can even if you want to if possible, if we cultivate the land, we can cultivate. Okay, so no problem, that they are unclassed forest. Now people can utilize these forests without any restriction in the unclassed forest, and people who are there uh, living in the protected forest, they can use some kind of forest produce. Okay, but they cannot use everything. We cannot cut the tree. Okay, right, now we will talk about what are kinds of forests that we have. So mostly Chhattisgarh abounds with monsoon deciduous forest. In the previous video, we studied about what is the meaning of monsoon forest, what is the meaning of deciduous forest. Okay, now we classified between two kinds of monsoon. One is a moist monsoon and another one is a dry monsoon. Okay, now what happens to the trees that are in the dry monsoon forest, and what happens to the trees that are in the moist monsoon forest. Okay, right. Now the state has a tropical monsoon climate, like this district, Jashpur, Samritpad East, Bagalkhand. Okay, so all these will come under moist monsoon deciduous forest. Okay, the rest will come under dry monsoon forest. Now this Chhattisgarh plains and the western part of the state have dry monsoon deciduous forest. Okay, the plain area, and then the area that comes at the western part of Chhattisgarh, they are all dry monsoon deciduous forest. Okay, right, now based on this moist monsoon forest and dry monsoon forest, our state has four types of forest. They are one is a Sal Forest, and another one is a Teak Forest, and another one is a mixed forest, and another one is a bamboo forest. Okay, now we will study about these kinds of forest in our state. The first one is a Sal Forest. What is Sal Forest? Bastar is called the island of Sal Forest. Basta. Hope you know where Basta is. I have now been to that place. Hope you know this place. Okay, so Bastar is called the island of Sal Forest. We have got Sal Forest there. Okay, so Sal Forest are also found in Jashpur, in Bilaspur, in Kankar and Garyaband. Okay, so in these places we have the sal forest. Usually we have a large amount of sal trees growing there. Second type of forest is the teak forest. Now other major forest vegetation in the state is teak. Okay, now we have so much of teak plants here, teak forest. So where all we have teak forest, we can just see there. Kwarda, Narayanpur, they have high quality of teak forest there. Okay, so we also have teak forest in Kankar, Sukma, Dandewada, Dungargar, and Ambagar. Okay, so in all these states we also have got teak forest. Okay, and the third kind of forest, a mixed forest. What is mixed forest? We have trees of every kind growing there. We also call it as biodiversity. Okay, a mixed forest. So here, what all kinds we have? Ambla, Harra, Baheda, Saja. So these are the main vegetation that we find in the mixed forest of our state. Okay. Now the Mahanadi Basin. So part of Chhattisgarh will also fall under Mahanadi Basin. Is home to such forests. Okay. So they are also found in Jashpur, Kadgora, uh, Karsiam, Magasamand. Okay, so these are the plain areas of Chhattisgarh, and here we have the mixed forest. Okay, the last type of forest we have in our state is a bamboo forest. So mostly our place, Sarguja district, we have the bamboo forest. The Sarguja Forest Division and the Kankar Forest Circle are famous for Katanga bamboos. So see, you see here, our state is filled with all these kinds of forests, and we have the benefit of monsoon. So even within our state, we have two kinds of forest: monsoon forest, monsoon moist forest, and dry monsoon forest. Okay, so moist monsoon forest and dry monsoon forest. Hope you understood these things. You have to read them, and then you have to understand. Okay, so with that we complete the forest of Chhattisgarh. Thank you.